This is kind of a combined video on the Kollea Google Cardboard Virtual Reality 3D glasses. You can get them for, this is the older style without the strap. It comes in this, it looks like just a piece of cardboard that you got to build. I had a lot of problems with mine the first time I got it because I didn't understand everything that was going on with it. So I never did a review on it because I had to get another one sent because I destroyed the first one. But this version, it takes a minute to build if you really follow the directions that are right on the box. It's not so bad. But they did come out with this new version. This looks like this. It's just inside this sleeve right here. Get the cardboard, google.com. It kind of has your directions right here. It's a lot easier, and it comes already built just about. It's going to look like this. The strap's just Velcro that you put on, you look through, you can see the lenses. This is just Velcro on top, and your phone goes in here, right in there. You can see there's little buttons in there. If you press this, it activates that. Now, I have no issues with the old style, which is this one. And it's a little bit bulkier, but once you get it built, it works. It has a button on the side that's like a magnet that you use to change pictures and everything. This has the different kind of viewing on it, though, with your phone. And you can see this one doesn't have anything. It's all encased. They show you exactly, like I said, how to build it right here on the new style. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. Now, with the new style, which is this one with the strap, I have a Nexus 6. And if you're not a techie person, you're going to be very confused what happens to your phone whenever you use the new style. I don't know if it's their issue or issue with Nexus phones. I don't know I would say try it, I guess. But your phone gets sent into what's called bootloader mode, which is, if you're not a techie person, it's going to be very technical, and you don't want to be there, let me tell you that. But mine is going into bootloader mode constantly when I try and use the new version. You can see I have an app loaded right here. It's Deep Space VR Battles. I'm going to open it, and you'll hear it running. Well, this one doesn't have sound, but that's what it's going to look like. Now, I'll put it inside the VR glasses. You can see that the application is running, though. I'll set it right... Oh, there it goes. It's actually making noise now. Let me see. I know you guys can't see what it's doing, but this one doesn't seem to be sending me into bootloader mode. I'm not sure why. Every other one I used was. Like I said, this is the new model, so I really hope this one works. Okay, this one's actually working. Okay, this one's actually working. You can kind of see it in there working. I'm not sure why I was getting sent into a bootloader mode rather. I gotta do some more testing, I guess, but I just wanted you to be aware that if it happens to you, I mean, it could happen to you if you have a Nexus device. But basically, this is what the app's gonna look like. And all those little things you're trying to control, it'll be moved with your head movement. You can see how shaky it looks. It's not me, it's actually the app moving. And there's even a look up down there on the bottom to look up, but you'll look up and it'll click on one of those and you'll go to it, basically, is how cardboard works. But it's very simple. I'm hoping the boot loop thing, or the bootloader issue, is just something on my end. It could be my phones are heavily modified, but to get more, once you get the app on your phone, you can even Google it, just Google cardboard. Or you can use, they have get apps and product safety information, blah, 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 blah. But here's a viewer profile. You just scan this with your phone, and it will automatically load the app on your phone. and then you'll just set your phone in the front like I showed you. Once it's in there, you shut this up, put a strap around your head, and this is adjustable because it's just Velcro, and you don't have the strap on the old model. So here's both models together. I'll try and move them both to where you can see them both. That's both models. New model comes in a box like this with nice easy directions. Old model comes in a big piece of cardboard like this with directions also, but it's a little bit more involved. You kind of have to build a little bit more. I don't even know if they sell the old one. I just finally am getting around to reviewing it because I wanted to review it with the new model. There's the width of the old model compared to the width and size of the new model. So you can see they did update them, and they did a really good job on the updating. And the great thing is the head strap. It's definitely very welcome. Looks like the new ones are $12.99. Okay, they're all $12.99 except for that big monster. Oh no, it is too? No, it can't be $12.99, right? Okay, $32. It's $9.99 for, looks like, the old one. Looks like you can still get it. And it's $12.99 for the newer one with the strap. For the extra couple bucks, I would say it's worth it because they're easier to put on. I think they're more user friendly, and they're definitely more comfortable. Let's see if I can bring up a few of their pictures. Complete with detailed instructions. That's the new model. I'm pretty much going to go over the new model now. There's some of the stuff you can do. Have fun with 3D games. There it is, opened up. That's where your phone just goes in, then it flips back up. Easy peasy. The control button only works for apps which are designed with the selection menu, which you'll see them in there when this is like a shutter button on a camera. Some of them have an app, some of the apps have a designated area where you'll use this. A lot of times you'll just use your head movement to switch between apps. There's easy to put together instructions, which it is very easy. The newer one is way better in terms of putting it together. That's the overall everything you get, the box, everything. There's instructions used with a QR code. There's demo videos, so that's kind of fun. And it even registers your cardboard viewer to the app. So if you want to switch, you can switch different, apps. Yeah, see, this is version 2. I got these January 21st. I got the first ones, I don't know, October or something. But yeah, they're a lot of fun. They're cheap. It's fun for everybody. Even the kids really love these things. The cardboard's really stiff and everything, so they're not cheap. I mean, it's cardboard, but they're pretty fun. Like I said, the newer model I think is a lot better. For a couple extra dollars, you get the strap, which is really nice. And there's no NFC in these, so I just wanted you to know that is not an option with these. It does have a lot of games now and apps. There's all kinds of different things you can do with these. Works with an iPhone 6 Plus, even with that size, which is a little bit smaller than my Nexus 6. So knowing that it works with a Nexus 6, you're pretty well covered on sizes. Like Galaxy Note 5, all the big phones, you're fine. I think you'll have fun with them, to be honest with you. And I mean, for $9, $12, for depending on which set you want, it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun, but I do recommend spending the extra $3 or whatever and getting the strapped ones on the version 2. But overall, yeah, I had fun with them. I gave them 5 stars. I think the issue, I just was trying to figure out what could be causing my phone to go into what's called the bootloader mode, but I think it's an issue on my end since my phone is so heavily customized. Even my screen settings are different, as in what you see on the screen is different. So I'm sure it's on my end. Please, if you have any questions, just ask, post here or on my website, techgeeks.com. That's TECKgeeks.com. Our social media buttons are there, so like and follow us. You got any questions, please feel free to ask them. I'll make you a separate video. If I have the phone, I'll put it in the cardboard and show you that it works. We're doing a giveaway soon, so you'll want to be registered to the site anyway, so like and follow us. And you're going to want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that way, when our giveaway comes, we're going to announce it through YouTube with instructions and what the product will be. So you're going to want to be following me on YouTube also. Thanks to Kollea, you guys are great. I'm so glad you updated the version that I have now compared to last year's, or last few months ago, I guess. This set's way better for a couple extra bucks. You can see more Kollea's products right here on Amazon.com. Click on their link. And I will see you guys on the next one.